I came up with the idea for Sendtask after I left my day-to-day role at MediaSign. MediaSign is a media agency, and we've seen that a similar product that can be used with Teams, Asana, made us a lot more efficient because we stopped communicating through email, which led to many emails being lost and tasks not being finished. Once we moved to Asana, we realized it was all much more efficient and clear, and we could track who's working on what and what stage the project was at. And then I had moved on to a startup investor role. I realized that as soon as you want to step outside the organization, there's no tools anymore. They're not a good fit if you want to work with your clients or suppliers. So we decided to build something that is extremely simple and intuitive, and at the same time doesn't require accounts. So in Sendtask, you can create a task and assign it to anyone just by their email address, and they will receive a link in an email that authenticates them and allows them to do everything with that task that an authenticated user would be able to do.